This is one of the best earning app. You can earn while going live with just your phone. This particular app is applicable to every country. It works for everyone. You don't have to stress yourself. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Before that, here is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose, not a get rich quick scheme, and this is not a financial advice. You can still do your own research. The name of this particular app is Boloup. So here is how you can earn on this particular app. Here is a picture of this app. All you need to do is go to your Play Store and then load this particular app here. This one you can see over here. Just go to your Play Store and download this app. Once you download it, open it. Let me show you. Tap on it. Like I said earlier, all you need to be doing on this particular app is to go live and you get to earn from this particular app. Let me go back for now. Okay, just tap on me because you need to sign up on this particular app. Although me, I already signed up, just that I cannot really go and start from beginning. I don't want this video to be long. All you need to do is, let me show you some ways you can earn on this particular app. And one thing about this particular live stream app is that they give you free coins. This my coin that you can see 9,000 something coins are free coins that they gave me everything. Every time I send someone a gift, every one time I send someone, there are things that there are some gifts that are called lucky gifts. Whenever I send someone something that are called lucky gifts, I get to earn some coins there, and that is why I give to people, because I don't buy coins to give to people on this particular platform. That is one of the things I love about it. So here is how you can earn. You can earn by salary, by getting salary. Hear me now. You can earn by getting salary. This is the one that you're seeing here. This particular one, right? Zero chance. Wait, let me go back and show you what I'm talking about. This one over there, over here, you can see this and the right salary. First of all, let's tap on it, because for your own time it will not be showing the salary. We have to go and activate this particular one to show your salary, and you can see how many hours I have to complete task. I have to complete task of 2 hours, and that is by being on a mic for 60 minutes. And for the first one, the second one is 120 minutes. If I be on the mic for like that 2 hours, I will be able to get like 5,350 diamond, and that diamond is converted to dollars that you can withdraw here. This one you can see over here. Wait, let me go back. Sorry, so let's just do it this way. This particular platform does not restrict anybody. Anybody can earn on this. Just tap on this one. You can see diamond available. I have particularly right now 2,000 diamond. I have like 2,000 diamond right now. So for you to activate this particular salary, because I say that you can earn in 2 ways. That is by earning salary and by the gift that people give you. By the gift that people give you, and by the gifts that people gives you, and by this salary. So the both of them, you can earn from any of them. So let's tap on this particular one. You can see here, for you to activate your salary and be able to start in. The only thing that you have to do is to add join an agency. Then if you need this kind of thing, this is my name here, Chiboy. You can just search for the name, then you can chat me up. I will send you this agency ID, or this agency ID. I will give it to you later, so you can join the agency. All you need to do is just to join agency, and you can get to earn salary for being on any mic for 2 hours. So this, press on this particular task. You can see over here. As you can see right now, it's still showing salary, because for my, I have activated it already. All you need to do, because when you have not activated it, it will be showing, you will see yourself in task. For now, it's not showing the task because I've already activated mine. So if it's just supposed to be showing on this particular task that you can see here, this particular task is where it's supposed to be showing. So let's tap on task. So you can see in salary. In your own time, it will be showing this in salary. When you tap on in salary, it will take you to a page that will put the agency ID. So this is my agency ID. If you want to join my own agency, this is my agency. When you join the platform, a lot of people will tell you to join their agency because that is one of the ways they get you on as they have an agency. This is my agency ID. You can join using this agency. This is my ID as your agency. So when you join, all you need to do is to verify your face ID. Once you verify your face ID, you can begin to earn your salary, or you get to earn from the gift that people give to you. Okay, let me join one particular room like that. Let me join a room. Let's go back to party. Then look for party, not just discover. Then tap on this party here. Look for party and join people on that room, from where you get to learn other things. This particular platform is for every country. Anyone from any country can do it. So all you need to do is to join any live here. Let me join this one here. So you can, all you need to do is just to find somewhere and see if okay, already this particular chat platform, the seat has been filled up. So you can look for another party that their own particular group are not filled up. So all of them are filled up. You can see here is filled up, here is filled up, here is filled up. All of them are filled up. So we have to go back and look for another one that is active right now. Press on exist. So let's check this one here. So you can see that some of these seats here are empty. So when the seats are empty, all you need to do is to join one of these seats that you see that is empty. Just tap on this one or this one, any one of them. Okay, this is the one that is empty. This one is empty. You can see that this one here is empty. 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 You can see all of them that are empty. Here is empty. So you can join any of them that you want. Once you join any of them, you can just sit there for some hours and some minutes. You get to earn. When people give to you, get to earn more on this particular one. This particular one is very legit. So I'm to say it's very legit. But this is not a financial advice or a get rich quick scheme. You can still do your own research, but for my own usage, I've seen that this platform is very good and very legit right now. All you need to do is just go to your Play Store and then download this particular Boloup app. If you're asked to put a referral code, like if you want to put my referral code, you can put this referral code. You can see over here, this particular one over here. You can put it in there in your referral code. That is my referral code. Or let us check my invite to know if I can see it. There are a lot of ways to earn on this particular, like I explained the two of them, and these ways are very easy to earn. So you don't have to stress yourself. You can earn by inviting, but inviting is not compulsory. So there are a lot of ways that you can earn on this particular platform. So I will advise you to be more serious on this particular platform, because as you know that it's a live stream platform, you have to be a little bit serious on it. So if you find any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your loved ones. Thank you.